Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by powering on your Nintendo Switch and opening System Settings. Choose Internet and then Internet Settings to scan networks. Select a public Wi-Fi or your phone hotspot that requires a sign-in. Wait for the captive portal or sign-in browser to appear on screen. When it appears, move the cursor to the address or input field and type https://google.com. Press the on-screen Confirm button to load Google. If prompted, sign in with your Google account using the switch on screen keyboard. A reliable method uses your smartphone hotspot as the network source for the switch. On your phone, enable the Wi-Fi hotspot and note the SSID and password. On the switch, go to System Settings, Internet, and connect to that hotspot using the provided password. Wait for the hotspot sign-in or captive portal to appear on the switch screen. In that portal, type https://google.com into the address field and load the page. You can now perform searches or sign in via the keyboard on the switch screen. For full Google functionality, stream your PC browser to the switch screen over your local network. First, run a remote desktop or game streaming app on the PC that can share a browser window. Keep your PC and switch on the same local network for best performance. Use a switch app or a capture method that displays the streamed PC output on the switch. Then open Google in the PC browser and control it from the PC while watching the mirrored view on your switch screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.